The inherited annotation is a meta annotation. This annotation is used to indicate that an annotation can be inherited by a subclass. Any subclass of that class will also be annotated with the same annotation. Currently, the myClass class is annotated with myAnnotation. However, we have a class called secondClass, which extends myClass. Here is our code. The first one, this line, creates a new instance of secondClass. Then, the getAnnotations gets all the annotations of the second class. The first printout statement prints the string annotations to the console. Now, the arrays.stream converts the array of annotations into a stream, and the for each iterates over each annotation in the stream and prints out its annotation type to the console using the annotation.annotationType method. Now, when we run the program, we see that no annotation type was printed. We see the first printout result, which prints the text annotations. This is just a general printout statement, but nothing was printed out from the for each iteration. We can annotate our annotation with the inherited annotation. This will cause the subclass to inherit the annotation. When we run it, we can now see that the myAnnotation is included as part of the annotations in the second class. This is because it has inherited the annotation from the parent class. Hey, have you enjoyed the lesson so far? At Lemobit Academy, we are committed to providing you with the best educational resources to help you achieve your goals. Now, with your support, we can continue to create even more valuable content. By giving just a small super thanks under our videos, you can play a crucial role in keeping our courses free for everyone. Now, this is a simple action from you, but it is very powerful in showing your appreciation and helping us create more quality education. Now, our goal is to make more free content, and we will keep doing that. But with a super thanks, you help us make more super content. Thank you.